Well, hello there. Occasionally, I come across an old song that I kind of wonder how come I never learned this song. And today, I'd like to learn "Top of the World," and it's pretty old, but I listened to it again and just loved it. It's such a beautiful and happy song, and I'm gonna try to do it in the original key, which was B flat. So the chords we're gonna need are gonna be B flat, F, E flat, D minor, C minor, F seventh. Let's see what else. G seventh, C minor seventh, C minor seven flat five, and F7 sustain 4, F7. Let's see what else we have. That's pretty much it. These are the chords. So I'm gonna try to sing it really slow and play it really slow because I haven't learned it myself, but a lot of times, I put on a song and people say, hey, do a lesson for it, let's give us the chords and stuff like that. And I'm kind of doing it in reverse as I'm learning. I show you the chords and I already put it in Telegram, so I put a link here for the Telegram. But let's just sing really slow. Such a feeling coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eye, and I won't be surprised. Let's see, this is the harder score. If it's a dream, it's like this. It's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is not coming through especially for me. And the reason is clear. It's because you are here. You are the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love's put me at the top of the world. So if you want to play the melody. That'll be like the melody. There's two more verses. Something in the wind has learned my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves on the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When the day is Then the verse comes again. I'm on the top of the world looking down at creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world. And I'll stop at that. You see that I don't know the song yet, but I have written the chords for you. It's in the original key, and it's a lovely song. I'm sure a lot of you will like it. Take good care and have a beautiful day.